Have you noticed that in Python this is a thing? Well, this is caused by floating point arithmetics, which prioritizes on being small rather than being precise. Well, my solution is called integer union. An integer union is a list containing data. Is the number positive? The integer value of the number and the digits after the decimal point. I included some functions to make it usable. There is one to create an EU value by mapping arguments into a list, one to convert EU into a string by adding a minus if negative and appending the integer and the fractional split it by a dot. There is also one to add integer unions that works by summing and performing checks. And there is one to subtract EUs that uses almost the same technology as adding them. And some of you peppers may ask, why not also add multiplication and division? Well, I'm too fucking lazy.